Tips for creating a balanced budget. Money can be a major source of stress in our lives, but creating a balanced budget can help alleviate that stress and bring a sense of financial security. In this video, we'll go over some tips for creating a balanced budget. When it comes to creating a balanced budget, the first step is to understand your income and expenses. Make a list of all your sources of income, including your salary or wages, any side hustles or freelance work, and any government benefits you receive. Then, make a list of all your expenses, including your fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance, as well as your variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to start creating a budget. Start by setting a monthly spending limit for each category of expense. Be sure to prioritize your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments, and then allocate the remaining funds for your variable expenses. Remember to be realistic about your budget and make adjustments as needed. If you find that you're consistently overspending in a particular category, you may need to reevaluate your budget and make some changes. Another important aspect of creating a balanced budget is establishing an emergency fund. An emergency fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses and can provide a safety net in case of unexpected events, like a job loss or medical emergency. It's important to make saving a priority in your budget, even if it's just a small amount each month. Consider setting up an automatic savings transfer to make it easier to save. In addition to your emergency fund, it's also important to prioritize paying off any high-interest debts you may have. High-interest debts, like credit card debt, can accumulate quickly and significantly impact your overall financial health. Consider prioritizing paying off these debts as soon as possible, even if it means cutting back on other expenses in the short term. When creating a budget, it's important to also consider your long-term financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house? Planning for retirement? Saving for your child's education? By identifying your long-term goals and incorporating them into your budget, you can ensure that you're making progress towards achieving them. One way to make budgeting easier is to use a budgeting tool or app. Many banks offer online budgeting tools that can help you track your spending and create a budget that works for you. You can also use popular budgeting apps like Mint, Inab, or Pocket Guard to help you stay on top of your finances. It's also important to regularly review and update your budget to ensure that you're staying on track and making progress toward your financial goals. You may need to adjust as your income or expenses change, or as you work towards different financial goals. Consider scheduling regular check-ins with yourself or your partner to review your budget and make any necessary adjustments. Remember that creating a balanced budget doesn't have to be restrictive or limiting. It's simply a tool to help you manage your money and achieve your financial goals. By following these tips and creating a balanced budget, you can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. And as always, please consult with a financial professional before making any major financial decisions.